running lights. Oh, so does the city light. Oh man. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so the city lights blink with the turn signals too. So does the side marker. And so does the blinker. And so does the rear tail. Holy crap, and the LEDs blink on that too. Alright, I may undo this. Okay. Alright, this is what I've ended up with now that I've done the running light on the turn signals. This is my desired result. I wanted the signals to be on low power with the city light while the parking light was on. Now, of course, I also get the side marker, and I also have the running light on my tail lights. But this is the fun part. I will turn on the hazards. Now, I'm missing a headlight, so these are probably going to work the way they're supposed to. Now, this is it with the hazards. Lights blink. Marker doesn't. City doesn't. Side marker does. Well, side blinker does. Tail light, blinker on both sides. And of course, side blinker, side marker. Of course, I'm missing my headlight. So, when I take it off of hazard and put it on for a turn signal, this is the result that I get. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I think the electrical gremlins are playing with me again. Alright, so now I'm going to put together the other headlight and we'll toss them in and see what happens from there. Okay, I now believe that I have somehow miswired my driver's side headlight. Take a look. I have the hazards on, and I'm going to do a walk around the car and you'll see what I'm talking about. Stupid car. Okay. From here we can see that the blinkers blink just nicely. So I'm going to start with the driver's side. Driver's side, the LED blinks, as does the side marker, the side blinker, the rear blinker, and brake lights. Now here on the passenger side, we have just the blinker, just the side blinker, the marker is not blinking, and only the turn signals are blinking, as you can see there. So I'm thinking that I've somehow missed something on this headlight. So let me go ahead and turn off the hazards. Oh, that's something else I gotta fix. Let me go ahead and switch on those. I don't have the key in there. So now we have the desired result of city light and marker and blinkers on. In addition to the side markers. So I got to take apart the driver's side headlight and rewire it. I think I know what the problem is. So I got to replace the connector, which is not going to be fun. It's either that or I gotta insulate it. That's the problem, is the insulation on one of them came off. So I still have some work ahead of me. Okay, the city light blinks. Side marker blinks. And finally, the tail light blinks. Okay, that's with everything off. So let's put the car on accessory mode. That involves key in, turning it. Now let's check the blinker. Okay. Now, this is the typical situation in which I will be driving without the headlights on, and I have a blinking light, blinking side marker, blinking tail light. Okay, let's flip this into. But if I turn the parking lights on, everything's normal. Wonder what would happen if I re-enabled my daytime running lights. Okay, let's turn that off. Let's turn the hazards on. Okay, this is just the hazards. And I still have a blinking marker, but it's only on the driver's side, it's not on the passenger side.